On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is free, and the best part is that I'm going to show you a high quality free traffic source that you can use to get people to purchase the product that you are going to be promoting so that you can make money from home wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many affiliate networks that you can join. In this case, I'm using Digistore24. Digistore24 is available worldwide, and the best part is that there are many offers on this platform that you can promote. You are allowed to promote any offer that you want. You don't need an approval to promote an offer. So set for Digistore24. Once you set for it, you can sign up for an account. Once you sign up for an account and log in, you are going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to find an offer to promote. So click on Marketplace. Once you click on the Marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. If I scroll down, you will see a lot of different offers. As I scroll, you can see these are offers that you can promote to make money from home. You can see the commission rate. This one right here, you're going to be earning $147.03 per every sale that you get. There are many of them. If I scroll, you can see this one, you're going to be earning $140.28 per every sale that you get. This one, you're going to be earning $46.86 per every sale that you get. There are many kind of different offers that you can promote. So all that you need to do is that you have to select the one that you want so that you can promote it to make money from home. To select a specific product that you want, you can consider the categories. For example, if you come right here, you can see product categories. If you want digital products, you can click on it and then find digital products to promote. If you want events and seminars, you can click on it, get events and seminars to promote. If you want services, you can click on it and then find services that you can promote. If you want shipping products, they are the physical products. If you want physical products, you can click right here. Once you click on it, you can see the categories of physical products that you can promote to make money from home. If you click on the digital products, you can see the subcategories of digital products that you can promote. You can see the app, computer and internet, dancing and music, dating, relationship and romance, education, email marketing, family and children, and many more. There are many kind of different products on this platform that you can promote. You can see the categories. So select any category that you want so that you can promote it. In this case, I'm going to be promoting a product under the home and garden. So you are going to look for the home and garden. Let me scroll down so that we can find the product that I'm going to be promoting. So you can see right here, home and garden. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. All these products are related to the home and garden category. So select the one that you want. So just scroll down and then select the one that you want. In this case, I'm going to be promoting this product right here. I've been promoting it alongside with other products. So I'm going to be using this one to demonstrate for you, but you can select any kind of product on this platform. Once you have selected the product that you want to promote, the next step is that you have to click on it so that you can get many other details of the product. Once you click on it, you can see this is the description of the product. You can see the price right here. You can see your commission percentage. You can see the date that it was added and many more other details. Once you have seen the details of the product, the next step is that you have to click on the sales page. So click on it so that you can see how the landing page looks like. The landing page is the first page that your potential visitors are going to see before they decide to purchase the product. So if a product have a good landing page, it means you are going to be getting sales. It will convince many people to purchase the product for you to earn money. You can see the product has a lengthy landing page. You can see everything in the landing page. You can see a whole lot of different details in the landing page. So your potential customers can read about it. Once they read and like the product, they can go ahead and then make a purchase for you to earn $150. You can see everything in the landing page. Once you have seen the landing page, you can click right here, affiliate support page. Once you click on it, you can be able to get resources available for you that you can use to promote the product. Some product owners have images, articles, videos, banners that you can use to promote the product. So if you need all those kind of resources, you can click on affiliate support page. Once you click on it, you can contact the seller and then get those resources. But in this case, I don't need any of those resources. so I don't need to click on it. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to get your affiliate link. So click on promote now. Once you click on promote now, you're going to see a page like this. Click on copy promo link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. Now the next step is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product so that you can be making money from home wherever you are in the world. There are two types of traffic that you can drive to your affiliate link. You can use paid traffic source. That means you're going to be paying per every click that you get. You can also use free traffic source, which you are not required to pay for anything, but you need to put a lot of effort so that you can make sales. In this case, I'm going to be showing you the free traffic source so that you can be using it to make the sales. Once you make the sales, you can then invest the money that you earn into paid ads so that you can increase the amount that you earn per day. The traffic source that we're going to be using today is getadsonline.com. This is one of the best classified websites where you can post your ads for free. And the best part is that they are available worldwide. You can see these are the locations. You can see the locations. They are in the United States. They are in London. They are in many other places. If you want, you can click on other countries. Once you click on it, you see a whole lot of different countries where you can post an ad using this particular website. You can see Australia, you can see Austria, Bangladesh, Belgium, a whole lot of different countries. You can see France, Germany, Greece, Greenland, and the rest. If you want Africa, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you find African countries where you can post an ad. You can see a whole lot of different countries. You can see everything. Now what you have to do is that you have to post an ad. To post an ad, you don't need to create an account. All that you need to do is that you have to click right here, post free ad. Once you click on it, you have to select a location. So select any country that you want. In this case, I want to select the United States. So scroll down to the bottom. Once you scroll down to the bottom, you can see right here USA. Click on it. Once you click on the United States, the next step is that you have to select the category of items that you want to sell. We are selling an item, so select for sale. Once you click on for sale, you have to select the specific subcategory. So scroll down and then select the specific category. In this case, the product that we are promoting is under the home and garden. So scroll down and then click right here, gardening. Once you click on gardening, you are going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to paste the title of your ad, the location, and the description. So you have to come back on this student for highlight and copy the name of the product. Highlight and then copy it. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. A lot of people are going to be using this same title. So what you need to do is that you have to type a different title that is catchy so that it can get the attention of people to click on your ad and then purchase the product that you are promoting. So you can change the title. You don't have to use this same title. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to enter the location. You have already entered a location, so just leave this portion. Once that is done, you have to paste your description right here. So come back on this student for. Once you come back on this student for, what you have to do is that you have to highlight and then copy the description of the product. You can see it right here. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to type a call to action so that you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. So type something like click here to learn more about the product. Something like this. Just type a call to action like this. Once you type your call to action, the next step is that you have to come back on the student for. Once you come back, click on copy promo link. Once you copy your promo link, the next step is that you have to come back, highlight your call to action. Highlight your call to action. Once you highlight it, click on this icon, the globe icon. Once you click on it, paste your affiliate link here. Once you paste your affiliate link, click on OK. As you can see, that has been done. Your affiliate link has been inserted. Now what you have to do is that you have to scroll down so that you can see the preview. You can see this is the preview. This is exactly what people are going to see. Now once that is done, you have to enter your email address. Once you enter your email address, you can select any of these options. Do not display my email address. Do not display my email address, but allow users to contact me through the contact form. Display my email address on the site. So any of these options that you want, you can select it. In this case, I'm going to select the default. So just leave it. Once that is done, if you want, you can promote your ad. You can see they have featured ad. You can see featured ads are placed topmost in each category and are shown highlighted. So if you want your ad to be featured, you can click right here. Once you click on it, you can select any of these options that you can afford. Once you select it, you have to make the corresponding payment. You can also extend your ad. That means if you want your ad to run for a very long time on the website, you can extend it by clicking right here. Once you click on it, you can select the days that you want to extend it and then make the corresponding payment. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to click right here, post now, so that you can post your ad onto the platform. Once you click on post now, you are going to see a page like this. You can see congratulations, your ad successfully posted and live. So your ad has been posted onto this website and it is live. People can find your ad, click on it, and then purchase the product that you are promoting so that you can be making money from home. There are a lot of different classified websites where you can promote your affiliate link for free. For example, you can post your ad on freeadstime.org without paying for anything. All that you need to do is that you have to create an account. Once you create an account, you can post your ad onto this platform for free. If I scroll down, you can see there are many countries and many cities that you can post your ad for free. You can see the different countries and continents that you can post your ad. If I scroll down, you see the cities that you can post your ad for free without paying for anything. You can see a whole lot of different cities in the United States. So all that you need to do is that you have to take action. Make sure you consistently post ads onto this website so that you can be making money from home with affiliate marketing. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.